In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get paid to help people shop online with the help of your own money-making affiliate sites filled with the hottest products from Amazon. All this while getting free traffic and generating affiliate commission every day. ReviewMatic AI is a ChatGPT-powered app that builds 100% automated Amazon affiliate product review sites. They come with free hosting included, and you can access the software anywhere from a web browser. There's nothing to install, you don't need to worry about software updates, and you can build your first site in 3 easy steps. It literally takes 2 minutes to set it up. First, log into the dashboard and click Build a New Site button. Let's give our site a name. And here you can pick a free subdomain. If you're not sure what to choose here and what your site should be about, we got you covered. Use this built-in site planner tool that will suggest the best niches to focus on, which domain to use, and which product to pick. We made this tool to make sure that everybody, even complete beginners, can build their first commission-generating website. Next option lets you choose the language for your site. Click the Save button and your site is created almost instantly. Now let's add some product reviews to your site. ReviewMatic AI comes with a custom Chrome extension that lets you add Amazon products to your site with a single click of a button. Just pick which Amazon site you want to go to. Now go to any Amazon category. Find a product you want to have on your site. Let's go with this one. Click our extension again and choose your site from a drop-down. Click Review this product, and that's it. The product was sent to our software, and the product review is being created by our custom ChatGPT AI model. We can even check the status. ReviewMatic AI is powered by a custom ChatGPT AI model. It has been trained on thousands of top-ranking affiliate review pages from Google. It learned from the best affiliates how to write amazing Amazon product reviews. It's like having an automated assistant that generates commission-earning, persuasive, and engaging product reviews tailored to your site. Okay, the review is ready. Let's check it out. You'll notice how clean the site is, and the product review is 100% unique content made to rank high in Google and other search engines. Now here's the fun part. Every time somebody comes to the site, clicks on any of your affiliate links, and buys the product, you get paid commission. People are used to buying from Amazon all the time, and these earnings add up very quickly. Look, people search for product reviews all the time, especially when it comes to expensive stuff. And right now is a perfect time to own a site like this because people are trying to save on everything, and they spend extra time looking for deals and expert advice. This is your chance to help people find the right products, and you can even earn some decent money while doing so. So that's pretty much it. Very unique software, super easy to get started even if you're just a beginner and you've never made any profit online. I hope you pick it up and get started with your Amazon affiliate site today. Go ahead, click that buy button, and I'll see you inside the dashboard.